Hey guys, I'm showing you this round backdrop stand. It's a 6.5 feet, nearly like 2 meter metal round balloon arc, stable iron circle arc, fit for the birthdays or the baby shower, wedding or any other occasion. So as you can see, this comes with a really nice stuff. So all this like tapes and everything is provided. So all these accessories will actually help in putting in the balloons that you can use to decorate your masterpiece. So this is the metal circular arc that need to be assembled. So as you can see, these are all the details of whatever is in the package and everything is well written for the use. So this is how we need to install or assemble this arc. So now for the arc to be assembled, we need to put it on a ground like in a circular shape so we know that how it need to be attached. It's a click or the snap in design that you can use, and it also have a rope in between so that you know, and it attach very nice with the screws and everything. So this is how this thing work. So I'm just attaching this all supply tools with it. So once you attach the whole circular thing with each other with a tick sound, you can just attach these to hold the circular web. If you want more support, you can also put in the water bags that comes with it. But as I am using it internally, I'm not putting in this water bags right now. But of course, you can use it. I will show you those water bags that what I'm talking about. So these are the water bags that can go into these stands, and you can either put the sand or the water to make it more heavy. So this will be a weight. So if you are using it outdoor, so it will not blow away. So this is a big water bag where water can be added in here, and then it can go into the stand from this. So it's pretty nice design and have everything that you can use for this arc. So here, as I mentioned, for the put in the water and stuff. So this is the whole arc look like when it's done. Put in the balloons, and it will be a good decorative pack.